Hello friends, my name is Ayush. Today I will explain my micro project topic, decide any product and analyze its good and bad features of milling machine. So let's start. First, introduction. Milling is the process of machining using rotary cutters to remove material by advancing a cutter into a workpiece. This may be done by varying direction, one or several axes, cutter head speed and pressure. Milling covers a wide variety of different operations and machines on scales from small individual parts to large, heavy-duty gang milling operation. It is one of the most commonly used processes for machining custom parts to precise tolerances. Milling can be done with wide range of machine tools. The original class of machine tools for milling was milling machine, often called a mill, after advent of computer numerical control, which is CNC in 1960s. Milling machine evolved into machining centers. Milling machine augmented by automatic tool changer, tool magazines and carousel, CNC capability, coolant system and enclosures. Milling centers are generally classified as vertical milling centers and horizontal milling centers. Aim of project to study all information about milling machine, and second one is to study all information about good features and bad features of milling machine. Next, literature review. Eli Whitney is credited with inventing the first milling machine about 1880, but the knee and column support arrangement of universal milling machine of Joseph A. Brown dates from 1862 and mark an important step in a machine's development. During last half of 19th century, milling machine gradually replaced shaper and planers, which have lead type single point tool bit that move over a workpiece a straight line and scrap of metal one stroke at a time. Milling machines are their continuous cutting action not only remove metal faster than shapers and planers, they perform additional operations like cutting helix for ear twist drills. Today milling machine greatly auto number shaping and planing machines. Americans in New England and later Midwest continuously added features leading to the modern milling machine. Next is good features of milling machine. The second largest advantage is Bridgeford style machine ability to make angle cut with horizontal milling machine. Either the milling center is made of angle or the work must be uh, pos- positioned at angle to the spindle axis. With Bridgeford style machine, the operator merely needs to tilt the spindle to make an angle cut. Of course, Bridgefords can also use angle cutter or mount the workpiece on angle. Vertical milling machine must be smaller cutting tool than horizontal mills because they have less rigid, less massive castings and lower horsepower motors. Still, they can accomplish the same end result as horizontal mill, just more slowly. Vertical milling machines are less complex than horizontal milling machines because the one-piece tool head eliminated the need for complicated gear inside vertical column. Bridgeport type milling machines usually have 1 to 5 horsepower motor and smaller casting than most horizontal mills. Because of this, they generally costless. Knee and column mills offers versatile and economic in place of the high metal removal rates of traditional horizontal milling machine. Bridgeford style mills provide better visibility of the end mill cutter. Second is bad features of milling machine. It is more costly than casting, cold forming, extrusion, etc. If if processes can provide the flatness, surface finish, and dimensional accuracy required for the part, for mass production, it became economically necessary to use special purpose machine. Skilled worker skilled worker required for better accuracy and surface finish. For CNC milling machines, accurate program is required. This is the bad features of milling machine. Next, actual procedure followed. First of first of all, I asked about my project to teacher. Then I went cyber cafe for collecting some information. Then I start to complete my project. I visited different websites to collect information about milling machine. Then I prepare project report and presentation, and in this way I will complete my project. Next is output of micro project. I learn about good and bad features of milling machine. I understood all information about milling machine. Skill develop. Working on subject topic develop working skill. I learn about subject topic and that increase my knowledge. Also communication skill is developed. Application of micro project. This micro project help us to understand milling machine. This will also help us to know good and bad features of milling machines. Area of future improvement, which is very important point. Let's start. Smart machining, intelligent control, adaptive manufacturing. The buzzword of yesterday are finally become reality. The world become computerized, so too the job shop. Today's machine tools are complicated, complex, and very rarely stand alone. They almost way are connected to something. It automation. However, CNC developers, machine tool developer, robot supplier are beginning to join forces to make communication easier and streamline the programming process. This is a references which I will collect information from this websites. Thank you.